So hello to everyone. My name is Urška Vori and I'm head of marketing in EMEA region. Welcome back to Weiler Wednesday Webinars after the summer break, where again we will talk about the best solutions for cutting and grinding. Today my colleague David Gorenjak, who is our design engineer, will lead us through best-in-class cutting and grinding solutions. So he will talk about the premium products and premium solutions. So the webinar will last around 30 minutes and it's being recorded, so you will be able to watch it later because it will be published on our web page. Okay? Next, I would like to invite you to visit us online. Our webpage, weilerabrasives.com, offers a full range of solutions, product information, and information about our company. So welcome to visit us. And also invitation for our social media profiles. We have recently established a Facebook and Instagram profile, and you are welcome to follow us and check our regular posts. So I think this is all for intro. We are ready and we can start. David, the stage is yours.
Urška, thank you. So welcome also from my side. Today we will go through the best-in-class products. So first I will talk about UltraCut thin wheels, then about ceramic cutting and grinding wheels, and in the end about ceramic flap disc. I hope you will enjoy it. But first, let's repeat what we need to know before using the angle grinder. So we must know what application we have. Is it cutting or grinding? So the best results with our products will you get if you cut at 90 degrees and if you grind between 25 and 30 degrees. You also need to know power and the maximum RPMs of the machine. You must apply the right pressure. So the easiest way to do that is to listen to your machine. And if you hear that your machine starts to drop the RPMs, that means that you're pushing too much. You must also know how to start covering different shapes that you can see on the picture below. And you must provide the clean environment. And of course, safety first, so please use the safety equipment. We produce two performance lines, Max and Pro. Today we'll talk about the best products from Max performance line. So the first product is UltraCut. So UltraCut are ultra thin cutting wheels used for cutting of steel, stainless steel, and all type of alloys. They are iron, sulfur, and chlorine free, so you won't have any problem if you cut inox. Their advantages are faster cut because of the true 1 millimeter thickness is the contact point between disc and workpiece smaller. This is the main reason why UltraCut is so fast. It's about 20% faster than the closest competitor. They're also up to 30% thinner than our regular 1 millimeter cutting discs. And UltraCut provides very clean and precise cuts that mean less cleaning after cutting. And they are known about their long life because of the solid core technology, increase the density resulting long life. That means more cuts per wheel and less changeovers and of course less costs. So on this picture, we can see the true thickness of UltraCut. You can see it's very thin. So on the second picture, we have comparison between our different thicknesses of Metalynx cutting wheels. So the first is 4 millimeter cutting and grinding wheel, then 3 millimeters, 2.5, 1.6, 1 millimeter, and UltraCut. You can see the UltraCut provides very clean cut. So we are offering UltraCut in two different diameters, two thicknesses, and two qualities. And standard packing includes 25 pieces of UltraCut thin wheels. And now it's time for a short video. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and now we can continue with ceramic cutting discs. So they are the next product from our Max line, and these are the products for the most demanded users. Their advantages are that they have self-sharpening ceramic grains that maintain their cut rate up to 75%. Ceramic grain can resist heat better than any other grain. Ceramic cutting wheels has the best life in category. That means they have better G ratio and they do more cuts per wheel, reducing costs. With ceramic cutting wheels, you don't have to push so much, but they require high power angle grinder. Users who use low power angle grinder may not see the benefits of any ceramic products. The ceramic cutting wheels can be used on steel, stainless steel, and so on, because they are contaminant free. So here we have some comparison tests between our professional and our ceramic cutting wheel, the same thicknesses, and the test was made on our automatic cutting machine on inox 60x5 at 8,500 RPMs. So we can see that ceramic did 75% more cuts than our standard cutting wheel. So we are offering ceramic in 3 different diameters: 115, 125, and 230 millimeters. And standard packing includes 25 pieces. And now it's time for a short break because Urška has something interesting for you. Urška, will you take over?
Yes, David, thank you very much. So we will make a very short pause to give you the possibility to win a present. And the first attendee that will include the right answer in the chat function is the winner and will receive the Weiler HD camera. And the question is, so name at least one advantage of UltraCut cutting wheel. So David was just talking about the advantages. Please name at least one advantage. And the first, which is in the chat, the first answer in the chat function is the winner. And we will announce the winner at the end of the presentation. Good luck. Thank you. Back to you, David.
Urška, thank you. And now we can start with grinding products. I would like to represent you the ceramic grinding wheels. Like ceramic cutting wheels, they are also made with ceramic grains and they resist heat very well. Innovative ceramic grain with millions of micro prefracture points will self-sharpen during the grinding, so the performance will be the best from the beginning till the end of the grinding. Also here, you don't have to push so much. The wheel will do the work by itself. And please, for the best results, use high power angle grinder. So So here we have another comparison test between professional and max ceramic cut grinding wheel. So we can see that ceramic will last 3 times longer and will remove 4 times more material than in their lifetime than the professional. So the difference is really big. The test was made on our grinding robot on regular steel. The ceramic grinding wheels are available in 4 different dimensions: 115, 125, 180, and 230, and the packing includes 10 pieces. And now we will go to the flap discs. So the main difference between grinding wheel and flap disc are speed and surface roughness. The flap discs don't grind as quickly as grinding wheels, but they will do the smoother surface, and they also have superior combination of life and cut rate. And something interesting, one flap disc can replace 10 fiber discs. We can use it on steel, stainless steel, titanium, and so on. And also here we need to have high power angle grinder. So we have 3 different shapes. First is flat, then conical, and angled. So the flat shaped ceramic flap disc are recommended for grinding of flat surfaces, and they are also very good in grinding of welds and grinding of sharp edges. You can see on the picture the shape of that flap discs. So the next one is conical flap discs. The angle provides greater surface contact. They have very good aggression and can remove material very fast. With them, we can grind flat and also round surfaces, sharp edges, and so on. And the last is our angled flap discs. This is our innovative products. They have curved flaps that are made especially for grinding of hard to reach areas, teeth joints, but you can also grind flat surfaces. And all ceramic discs are available in 2 sizes and 2 different grids, 40 and 60, and standard packing includes 10 pieces. And now we have reached the end, so I will pass the word back to Urška. If anyone has any question, please, you're free to ask. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, David, for your presentation. We are quite quick today, so I hope everything worked fine for you, because we had some technical issues before we start the webinar. So before we jump into the question and answers, so please, if you have any questions in the meantime, submit them in the question and answer icon, and we will be answering them shortly. So before we move to that, I promised to announce the winner for the giveaway. And today's winner of this webinar is Mr. Matthias Wiener. So I congratulate you. We will contact you via email regarding the shipping of the Weiler HD camera. So congratulations to you and also to all the others who participated. So now, okay, so I'm just checking the questions and answers, and we will start with the first one. So David, for the first question, so why is it so important to have high power angle grinder if we use ceramic products?
Thank you. It's a very good question. If we use ceramic products with low power angle grinder, the drop of the RPMs will be too high. So the grain won't self-sharpen. It can also happen that the whole grains will start fall out of the products. So if the users won't see the benefits of the products. So if you don't have the high power angle grinder, then it's better to use UltraCut, Extra, or professional products because they don't require high power tools.
Okay, thank you. So the other question we have, I see here, so ceramic flaps are more difficult to work with. What do you recommend besides high power grinder?
You must apply not with great pressure because the ceramic flat disc will remove material very quick. If you don't push much, they will do the work by itself. So don't push it too much and everything will be okay.
Okay, thank you. So UltraCut is very thin. So does that mean it can also break very quickly?
Now, because of the solid core technology, is the density of the products very high, and that's why UltraCut can survive very high side pressures. We have machines for testing that, and we test that regularly. So I assure you that they will be very safe to use.
Okay, thank you. We have another question. So it is about, basically, I don't see a question, but there is application for foundry industry. Maybe the participant is asking which, if, I don't know, ceramic or UltraCut is also for foundry industry.
Ceramic, yes, but we have also our foundry products specially made for foundries. So you can see our catalogs and maybe you will find something interesting for you. But ceramic, yes, can be used in foundries, yes.
Okay, so there is another question. David, you will see if you are the right person to answer that. So what's the price difference between UltraCut and ceramic products?
I won't be the right person to answer that. So
this is more, let me just jump in. So this is more a sales question, and we will follow up with the answer to this question. So regarding the sales conditions and prices and comparison. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So we have reached to the end. I would just like to invite you also to our next webinar. We will be doing them now on 2-week basis. So the next one will be on 7th of October, when we will talk about railway solution. So you can expect an invitation to your inbox, and of course are very welcome to join. So thank you for participating again, and I wish you a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye.